Have you ever tried modern embroidery?
No, I haven't. What's that?
It's a new way of expressing creativity using fabric and thread. You can create beautiful pieces with different textures, color gradients, and dimensions.
That sounds interesting. Is it difficult to learn?
Not at all. In fact, there's a class called Painting with Thread Modern Embroidery for beginners that can teach you the basics quickly and easily. It's designed for everyone, no matter your experience level.
Who teaches the class?
A master embroiderer named Danielle Clough. She's known for her groundbreaking techniques and non-traditional materials. Her warm and funny teaching style will make you wonder why you've never tried this before.
That sounds like a great opportunity. What will I learn in the class?
You'll learn how to create a variety of basic stitches, including French knots, and use stitching to create different textures, color gradients, and dimensions. You'll also learn how to prepare your fabric, hoop, design, and needle and thread. And you'll create a complete and beautiful floral embroidery.
Wow, that's a lot to learn. Do I need any special equipment?
No, you don't. You can pick up a complete beginner kit and start your creative journey right away.
I'm sold! Where can I sign up for the class?
You can sign up for Painting with Thread Modern Embroidery for beginners now and start creating beautiful pieces today. Don't wait, unlock the vibrant world of embroidery with Danielle Clough and see where your creativity takes you.